Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use legacy models in ChatGPT. Alright, so as you might know, by default only ChatGPT 5 or GPT-5 is available in ChatGPT right now. This might change in the future, but currently by default you cannot use other models. However, you can see that because a lot of people really like the legacy models, some of them are available still in ChatGPT, but you have to click on this down arrow and you're going to see legacy models. And by default only 4.0 shows up. So 4.0 was the multi-model, but is not the most advanced ones. Before ChatGPT 5 or GPT-5 there were also 0.4 and 3, and some people really like those models and you can still use them. And all you have to do, first of course you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. This feature is only available there, and what you have to do is click on your account name, then select settings, and under general you're gonna see show additional models. Turn this toggle on. And now if we close this out and click on the model selector, and under legacy models you're gonna see GPT-4.0, GPT-4 1, 03 and 04 mini. So this is how you can use legacy models inside ChatGPT